You are pretty, passionate, and have an amazing voice, so surely you are meant to achieve it. You will always, always be my number one... What? Ride or die.
So we are having a wicked thunderstorm. Apparently we have a leak. Like the lightning was like crashing really, really hard, like a wicked thunderstorm. It's my first thunderstorm. Listen to that. It's the first major thunderstorm of the year where I've been at least home. We've had a couple other thunderstorms, but it's the first one that's been like bam. But my kitty does not like thunderstorms, so I've been trying to find her. I know she doesn't like thunderstorms. She always hides under the bed. So I've been trying to see if I can find her. I walked into the room and she's not in here, and I don't see her under my bed. Kiki! Nope. She's not. Excuse my room. I still haven't cleaned it up from the mess that Kiki made when she knocked over my thing. She hiding in my closet? Oh, baby! Oh, you can't see her. Here. There she is. Oh, are we scared of the thunderstorm? Oh, poor baby. Is it raining again? Is it raining again, Kiki? See, I was hiding from the vacuum 2 seconds ago, because the vacuum is also scary. Someone enjoys the attention. This cat has always loved being filmed and photographed. I'm just watching the rain fall. Life of a cat. It's tough, isn't it?